Meet the Trend T7, 1-2-inch variable speed. Workshop router, a powerhouse with a 2100-watt motor that makes cutting smooth and effortless. Perfect for kitchen fitting, worktop joints, or timber profiling, it offers precise control with 6 adjustable speeds. Compact, ergonomic, and comes with a handy carry case, so you can tackle projects like a pro anywhere. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Meet the BC Zone Cordless Wood Router Kit, a lightweight, powerful and versatile tool that makes woodworking a breeze. Compatible with DeWalt 20-volt batteries, it features 6 adjustable speeds, a brushless motor, and a bright LED light for precise work in dark areas. With 15 handy router bits included, you can handle everything from carving to edging easily. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a powerful and versatile woodworking tool? The Dewinner 1200-watt electric wood router is your perfect companion, with variable speeds from 9,000 to 30,000 revolutions per minute. It features easy depth adjustment, a comfortable soft handle, and includes 12 high-quality tungsten carbide bits. Whether shaping, grooving, or making curved cuts, this router makes DIY or professional projects effortless. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Meet the Trend 18V Cordless Plunge and Trim Router Kit, the ultimate tool to take your woodworking projects to the next level. Powered by a high-efficiency brushless motor and 2 long-lasting 5.0 ampere-hour batteries, it delivers smooth, precise cuts every time. With versatile plunge and trim bases, adjustable speed and microfine depth control, you get professional results easily. Safety features like twin LED lights and a dust extraction adapter make it a must-have for DIYers and pros alike. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment. Meet the Einhell Power X-Change 18-volt cordless palm router, the ultimate woodworking companion. With its brushless motor, fine depth adjustment, and adjustable speed electronics, it delivers precision, power, and durability. Plus, it's compatible with the same battery for over 300 tools, making your projects easier and more efficient. You have the purchase link in the video description and in the pinned comment.